Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. Therefore, reiterate that the power derived from the penal code for any modified punishment with the punishment provided for in the penal code for such specified offences can only be exercised by the High Court and in the event of further appeal only by the Supreme Court and not by any other court in this country. Stop. To put it differently, the power to impose a modified punishment providing for any specific term of incarceration or till the end of the convict's life as an alternate to death penalty can be exercised only by the High Court and the Supreme Court and not by any other inferior court. Stop. What is held by the Constitution bench cannot be construed in a narrow perspective. Stop. The Constitution bench has held that there is a power which can be derived from the IPC to impose a fixed term sentence or modified punishment which can only be exercised by the High Court or in the event of any further appeal by the Supreme Court and not by any other court in this country. Stop. In addition, the Constitution bench held that power to impose a modified punishment of providing any specific term of incarceration or till the end of convict's life as an alternative to death penalty can be exercised only by the High Court and the Supreme Court and not by any other inferior court. Stop. In a given case, while passing an order of conviction for an offence which is punishable with death penalty, the trial court may come to a conclusion that the case is not a rarest of rare case. Stop. In such a situation, depending upon the punishment prescribed for the offence committed, the trial court can impose other punishment specifically provided in section 53 of the IPC. Stop. However, when a constitutional court finds that though a case is not falling in the category of rarest of the rare case, considering the gravity and nature of the offense and all other relevant factors, it can always impose a fixed term sentence so that the benefit of statutory remission etc. is not available to the accused. Stop. The majority view in the case of V. Shri Haran cannot be construed to mean that such a power cannot be exercised by the constitutional courts unless the question is of commuting the death sentence. Stop. This conclusion is well supported by what the Constitution bench held in paragraph 104 of its decision, which reads thus that apart in most of such cases where death penalty or life imprisonment is the punishment imposed by the trial court and confirmed by the division bench of the High Court, the convict concerned will get an opportunity to get such verdict tested by filing further appeal by way of special leave to this court. Stop. By way of abundant caution and as per the prescribed law of the code and the criminal jurisprudence, we can assert that after the initial finding of guilt of such specified grave offences and the imposition of penalty, either death, full stop, over.